Hi, my name is Ryan Kraus, and I'm the manager here at the Old Post Office Restaurant. Ephraim is a very historic town, and so we tried to lend ourselves to that. So the building that we're sitting in right now is actually an old general store, and within that old general store was the original post office. We do breakfast 7 days a week, and it's home cooking. You know, everything's made from scratch here. And then the fish boil is your traditional Door County fish boil. We get fresh Lake Michigan whitefish in here almost every day. We hand cut it all, and then it's cooked in the backyard over an open fire traditionally, and then it's served to you. First item would be the ham and cheese omelet. It's a 3-egg omelet. It's made with Wisconsin cheddar cheese, Wisconsin ham. It's accompanied with your choice of toast, and we also use homemade preserves, which are from a local orchard up here. We have buttermilk cherry pancakes, made from scratch recipe. Once you put it on the grill and you can cook it and flip it, the hard part's done, and then you're on to eating it with maple syrup, and it's a wonderful experience. The Texas-style French toast, another original item that's been on the menus for a very long time. We use a thick-cut Texas toast with that, with vanilla egg wash, and that's dipped in there, just put on the grill. And then once it's finished, we cover it in powdered sugar and serve it with maple syrup as well. The last item is the Belgian waffle. This one was topped with cherries and whipped cream. It is an item that was added later on, but it is definitely one of the fan favorites. People love whether it's with fruit or without fruit.